Okay, I'm going to show you how to log in for her eClass and also Raz-Kids and Mathseeds. So when you click on here, I'll log out and log in as her. It looks a little different, but My eClass at the top, and then you'll put in her number, 202006123, and then her number again, 202006123. Sign in, and then you'll see her name up here at the top, and you'll go to this little green My eClass. There is also, you can use, if you need to get to the Google Drive, you can click there. For My eClass, you click on the little green guy. And then you'll scroll down until you find My Page. So you'll see all of her specials teachers, and then this one with the colored pencils is mine. She'll click there. Internet's slow. Okay, and once you get there, so this will have, this was back when we were doing lessons together, but on this week's lessons, you'll click here. Okay, and then you'll go to this week's lessons. And then, over here, I need to delete that so it's not too confusing, but this week's lessons, and you'll see the date. So if you were getting here on, let's say we did Monday, and if you missed any lessons, you can go back into that week and look at the past lessons. So every morning she'll log in here to go to my Zoom, and it'll have the link up here. So if she clicks here, that'll take her to our Zoom at 9 a.m. and then again at 2:45. So this is where she could click here to go to Ms. Hulsey's Zoom or her page. And then this is a link to get to Raz-Kids. And there's usually nothing for reading because she's doing that with Ms. Hulsey. Same thing here with math, going to Ms. Morris's page. And then here is the writing and phonics. So that won't, every day there'll be a writing lesson that I have recorded. So she can click on that. Put on our headphones and watch that lesson. And usually right after the lesson, they just go off and write, or they could be writing while they're doing it. But this particular day, I added a checklist for parents to sort of see what they could add to their writing. This was sort of the checklist that we do by the end of the year. So you scroll down. Here's a phonics lesson. There's not going to be a phonics every day. Sometimes there's a handwriting lesson, so you would click there, and then it'll just tell her what to do independently. And then there's always, every day there'll be a science and social studies lesson. So you'd click here, watch it, and then there's usually like a song or a video she can watch here. So you can train her to click on these links every day while she's taking that break. This will be our specials. Now you only have to log in on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's not live, but you can watch, you can do it at any time, but it's only required Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you want to on Wednesday and just go ahead and knock out the specials lessons for the week, you can do that. Every week it changes. Okay? And then I'll show you. You can always go back to past lessons. I need to change that to past lessons, this one here. So if you want to log into Mathseeds, you click there, go up to the green login, and that would be the same thing, her number, 2 times. It's going to log in as me. So she would log in 202006123, 202006123. And then you'll click right here. All we have is Mathseeds. And then when she clicks in there, it'll take her to the level that she is working on. And it's progressive, so it'll get harder. But this one is what these other little things they can do, but I really want their lessons to get up there. So she would click there and do that. To go to Raz-Kids, same thing, click there. That's during reading time. So when she's done with Miss Halsey's, she can go read on Raz-Kids. Log out as me. And it tells me the books that she reads. So when she logs in, it'll be her same number as her name and password. But then she'll find, there she is. When you click there, and then your password is your number, 202006123. Log in. I always have them go here. This one has regular books in there that they can listen to as well for fun, but these are going to be actual books towards their level. So right now she's at a pre-A. So basically she'll just pick on any book here. All of these are gray, so she'll click on a book. And usually at this point they're listening first, so she can click there. And then play the button and it'll read the book for her. But when she finishes it, it'll actually turn this green. So right now it's yellow, meaning she's still working on it. She can click it again and try to read it herself. So it won't read it for her. She can click read, and this gives her more points and more towards her goal. If she reads all of those books, then it moves her up to a higher level. And then if she has troubles with words, she can read it herself, but she could also, if she wants to, hear the word if she's having trouble. If she wants to highlight a word because it's too hard and come back to it, or ask somebody, she can do that. And she could also add it if it's a word that she's working on. Up here is a cool little microphone that she can use, so you can actually have her read the book out loud, and then when it's done at the very end she clicks it again, and then you can go in and actually hear her reading, and I can hear it as well. So it's really cool for them to do that, because then I can start to see how they're reading. And then once she does that, she'll get a green check mark for that book, and this will move up, you know, and she'll raise up in her levels. So she can start reading those books. All right, and then if there are any other questions that you have, I would love to help you out and make sure that we answer those for you. Thanks so much. Bye.